Welcome my dear friends. In this video you will know how to make money online. This is the most searchable keyword in internet. If you know internet, you know how to make money online and online money. In this video you will know about the Onpassive platform, Onpassive ecosystem. For sure you can make money online. In this video, I will add on how to make money fast using the Onpassive ecosystem in a smart way. Video is for founders as well as for public. My dear friend, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now, to know about the platform, you should know some of the basic things. Onpassive platform is now open for both founders and public on Onpassive ecosystem. Founders, who are the founders, you know how to log into ecosystem and how to register. Okay. For public, it is open. You can go to onpassive.com and you can register as a public, as a customer. Okay. This is the latest update. You'll get all updated information. Now, how to make online money from the Onpassive platform. Very simple steps I'll describe in this video. For that, you know affiliate programs or resellers program. Whoever you know, for them it is very easy. Whoever don't know, please understand the affiliate marketing and resellers program. Okay, so it will be very easy. Onpassive is a AIIT company having many products. Some of the products are free and paid products. Now, if you are a public, you can register and avail the free products. You just get a feeling about Onpassive. You know what is the difference you are getting. Okay, there are many unique features in that, and whatever money you will get, it will be instantly transferred to your wallet. Now stay tuned. I will describe fully. I will give the full information. So to earn money from Onpassive platform, this is from the real business. Onpassive is real. It is having offices in USA, India, Dubai, Singapore, you know. Okay. Now registration is open. You make your registration in OS platform. Okay. For both for founders and public. Now, to earn income, you should become a reseller. All, whether you are a founder or as a public, you have joined as a customer, all you should become a reseller. Okay. You know affiliate program? It is similar to that, but it is a very smart program. Okay. There are many benefits in this Onpassive platform. So, to earn income, you should buy the product package, paid product packages. So, for public benefits, there are so many product packages based on your suitability and your paying level. You can choose the options. You will get the option. Okay. So you should become a paid member. Once you get that, you'll get a link. See, for resellers, you'll get a link. For founders, there are other benefits. Okay, so you know the benefits. I've made videos, you can watch those things. Now, you share the links to your network. Okay, and based on the actual sales through your link, you will earn a commission. Okay, my dear friend, you know software market and digital market. Okay, you will get commission based on your new sales, as well as you'll get commissions for subscription. Okay, and it will grow exponentially. Onpassive, once it as a company, it will grow, you will also grow. And once you become experienced in this, there is unlimited opportunity. So explore. There are so many ways of earning from the Onpassive platform. So please explore. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.